Hi guys, welcome to Durga's kitchen, and in today's video we are going to be making a classic sandwich. So let's see the ingredients. We got sandwich bread, some diced cheese, coriander leaves and chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped capsicums. And in this bowl I have added 1 spoon of mayonnaise, 1 spoon of Szechuan chutney, 2 spoons of sauce, tomato sauce, and some cheese. So now these ingredients are our stuffings. So let's make the stuffings. Okay, now let's make the fillings. First, let's add the coriander leaves and the chopped tomatoes. Next, the chopped white onions. Next, the chopped capsicums. And last but not the least, the mayonnaise, Szechuan chutney, tomato sauce and the cheese. Right. And for some light seasonings, we are going to add some little bit of some seasonings. All right. Now let's mix all the ingredients. Now the filling is ready, and now let's take the bread and let's add the fillings in. Take the bread, just do this. Next, let's add the fillings. All right, just smooth it around, spread it around. Okay. Now we have added our fillings. Now let's put the top bread. Now I'm going to make my sandwich in a sandwich maker. If you guys don't have sandwich maker, you can make it in a pan or in an oven. So as I'm making it in a sandwich maker, let's take some ghee and spread it, grease it in the sandwich making area. Let's grease it. Greasing is done, and I'm going to switch on the sandwich maker. Now let's add in the sandwich. Now let's keep the sandwich in. Now let's close the sandwich maker. Now you can see a red light and a green light, and when the red light is off and the green light is on, that means the sandwich is ready. Now the sandwich is ready to take, and now we are going to off the switch, and now let's open it. Be very careful at handling these kind of machines. Okay, now now let's just take it out. Now the sandwich is ready. Now let's see how it's inside. Wow, look at the cheese. It's coming like a string. Now just for you guys, I'm just going to open it. Wow. It looks so delicious. Now try this sandwich recipe at your home. I know it will be so delicious. You can also make it very easily, and comment down below how. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you won't miss out any more cooking videos, and like. Bye guys.